Here I've got Umidigi Z2, and let me show you how to add profile picture to a contact on the following device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, then go to the contacts if you're not here, just click on contacts. Now find the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to, in my case that would be Scarlett, and then select edit icon. Now tap on the camera tab right here, and you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery, and this is what I would pick. Choose photo, and let me pick this one. Now you can customize this picture, so you can crop it, resize it to whatever you want to. So let me, for example, make it like this, tap on done, and finally click on save. And that's it. From now on, once Scarlett will be calling you, you will see this profile picture. And this is it. So this is how you can quickly and easily add photo to a contact in your Umidigi Z2. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.